If you're seeing a Squarespace error when editing product details, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that solve the issue for most people. This is especially helpful if your product fields won't save, the editor freezes, or the description box keeps throwing an error when you try to make changes. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Squarespace tutorials just like this. First, let's start with the fastest and safest fix. Open a new Incognito window on Chrome or a private window if you're using Firefox or Safari. Sometimes browser extensions, cache data, or saved sessions can interfere with the Squarespace editor, and using a private window gives you a clean place to test it. Once the private window opens, go to your Squarespace dashboard page and log in as usual. After you're signed in, open your store catalog and try updating your product details again. This could be the product title, the price, the description, the variant options, or any other field that's causing trouble. If the issue was related to your browser session, you may find that everything works normally in the private window. If it still doesn't, the next step is to check your browser extensions. Open your browser's extensions manager and temporarily turn off all ad blockers, editing assistants, grammar tools, or any other extensions that might modify page content. These tools can sometimes interfere with Squarespace forms, especially if they inject code, block scripts, or alter how the editor loads. Once they're disabled, go back to your product editor, refresh the page, and try editing the fields again. A simple refresh after turning extensions off can make a big difference because it forces Squarespace to reload the editor without that extra interference. Now, if the error is happening specifically inside the product description, there's one more fix that solves a lot of hidden formatting problems. Open your product description, then select all the text and paste it back as plain text only. On Windows, use Ctrl+Shift+V. On Mac, use Command+Shift+V. This strips out hidden formatting, copied styles, and strange code that may have come from another document or website. Another option is to use the clear formatting icon in the text block toolbar. That's the slanted T with a cross through it. Click that icon to remove any invisible formatting that Squarespace may be struggling to process. This is especially useful if you copied and pasted product text from Word, Google Docs, a web page, or an AI tool, because even when the text looks normal, it can contain formatting behind the scenes that breaks the editor. After clearing the formatting, try saving the product again. In many cases, that alone fixes the Squarespace error and lets you edit your product details normally. So to recap, start with an incognito or private window, log back into your Squarespace dashboard, test the product editor, disable any conflicting extensions, refresh the page, and if needed, clean up the product description by pasting as plain text or clearing formatting. If this walkthrough helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more Squarespace troubleshooting tips, website fixes, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.